DJI Mic 2 firmware update 8/9/2024 firmware v04.05.01.11. Optimize EQ equalizer settings for fuller and brighter sound and fix some known issues. Turning on 1, 2, 3. If we swipe down, receiver settings, and we scroll the wheel, these are the settings we have. Update the unit. Simply plug in your USB-C cable to the computer and it automatically turns on and opens up. Information to download your firmwares for the receiver and transmitter are at the site. Simply grab the receiver into the receiver USB drive that opened up. We are doing Windows PC, Windows 11, turn off the receiver, pull the cable, and it updates. While we're updating, we're going to put this to the side and grab the transmitter and repeat the same process by plugging in. The machine opens up. Delete all the files out. Drag in the transmitter, drop in. Shut off. Remove. And it is updating. As the receiver has completed its update, we're waiting for the transmitter to complete. While the transmitter is completing, we are able to see that it is working. We have a solid green light and the updates are completed. Looking at the receiver, swiping down, receiver settings, scrolling through, and we are now completed. We can shut both off.